Ever wondered why vitamins are so crucial in our daily diet? Take vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, for instance. This nutrient is paramount for our health, serving various functions in our bodies. So let's delve into the health benefits and sources of vitamin B12. Firstly, vitamin B12 is a powerhouse when it comes to energy production. It plays a significant role in the metabolism of carbohydrates and fats, converting food into the energy that keeps us going throughout the day. Secondly, it is essential for the health of our nervous system. Vitamin B12 aids in the formation of myelin, which is a protective covering of nerves. This is what allows our bodies to send signals efficiently. Thirdly, vitamin B12 is involved in the synthesis of red blood cells. These cells are key for oxygen transport in our bodies, making B12 vital for our overall well-being. Fourthly, maintaining adequate B12 levels is linked to brain health. It may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, contributing to our cognitive function. Fifthly, vitamin B12 contributes to heart health. Alongside other B vitamins like B6 and folate, it helps regulate homocysteine levels, thus reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Lastly, it plays a role in DNA synthesis and repair, supporting overall cell health. Now that we know the health benefits, you might be wondering, where can we get this essential vitamin? Beef, chicken, turkey, and other meats are rich sources of B12. Fish such as salmon, trout, tuna, and shellfish like clams and mussels also contain B12. For those who consume dairy, milk, cheese, and yogurt are good sources. Eggs, particularly the yolk, contain vitamin B12 as well. Some plant-based foods like breakfast cereals, plant-based milk, and nutritional yeast are fortified with B12. Vitamin B12 supplements are also available, especially for individuals with limited dietary intake. Organ meats, particularly liver, are rich in B12. It's key to remember that vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products. Therefore, individuals following a strict vegetarian or vegan diet may need to consider supplementation or fortified foods to meet their B12 requirements. In conclusion, vitamin B12 is a crucial nutrient that aids in energy production, supports nervous system health, contributes to red blood cell formation, maintains brain and heart health, and assists in DNA synthesis. It is found in a variety of foods, primarily animal products, but also in fortified plant-based foods and supplements. If you're concerned about your vitamin B12 levels, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and testing.